Founded in 2006 and headquartered in Redmond, Washington, the U.S.-owned and operated company Airship AI has slowly but steadily gained investor attention for providing AI-driven video, sensor, and data management surveillance platforms for public and commercial customers, enabling real-time decision-making with improved efficiency. Through products like Outpost AI Edge hardware and software offerings, Acropolis Enterprise Management Software Stack, and the Command family of visualization tools, all of which focus on predictive analysis to give an edge to decision-makers with filtered meaningful intelligence before events occur. Airship AI's product suite is designed to handle unstructured data at the edge, allowing for real-time processing and structuring of data from various sources such as surveillance cameras, audio, telemetry, acoustic sensors, and autonomous devices. This structured data can then be analyzed using purpose-built AI models or existing customer AI models integrated into the Airship AI platform. In effect, delivering real-time intelligence and predictive analytics at the edge, where data is generated, rather than relying on centralized processing. Outpost AI is responsible for edge hardware and software processing to structure and analyze unstructured raw data at its source in real time to transmit it securely for further use. Acropolis manages and processes structured data from multiple sources as a central management software suite that manages and processes structured data from multiple sources. It's able to manage both edge devices and data, allowing customers to scale from a few to hundreds of thousands of devices, supporting on-premise and cloud deployment. While Airship Command works as a visualization tool suite that allows customers to interact with their data securely and efficiently through desktop, mobile devices, command center interfaces, or large video walls in security operations centers, SOCs, supporting applications such as real-time alerts and complex search queries. Airship AI addresses the challenge of managing and making sense of vast volumes of dark or unstructured data by structuring it at the source using purpose-built AI models. This structured data, which can come from video, audio, telemetry, seismic, and other edge-based sensors, is then analyzed to detect, classify, and log specific objects such as vehicles, people, weapons, aircraft, and more. For example, from video footage, the AI can extract detailed characteristics like license plate numbers, vehicle make and model, or even aircraft tail numbers, and trigger real-time alerts or support historical search queries. Since pre-trained models can be customized for each client's workflow, alongside integrated customer-developed AI, Airship's tools are already used by major government agencies and corporations globally, with particular priority on continued growth in the U.S. market. This leads to customer relationships typically being long-term contracts that include technical support and services, driving predictable recurring revenue. Operating in the rapidly growing $7 billion edge AI hardware and software market, Airship AI has transitioned from a bootstrapped, 100% employee-owned firm into a public company, following a merger in December 2023. Its focus on data security, real-time processing, and operational flexibility has made it a trusted provider of mission-critical surveillance and intelligence technology, with broad applications in public safety, defense, critical infrastructure, and enterprise environments. This is why it was no surprise when Airship AI secured a new one-year follow-on contract with a major Fortune 100 transportation and e-commerce company. The seven-figure agreement is an extension of a long-standing relationship and focuses on system maintenance and sustainment for the company's Acropolis Enterprise video and data management platform. This platform supports the customer's large-scale operational and physical security needs across a global logistics network. According to Airship AI President Paul Allen, the renewed contract underscores the scalability and reliability of the Acropolis ecosystem, which enables centralized oversight of global operations from a single security operations center. The deal includes ongoing health monitoring, software maintenance, and technical support, generating revenue through both professional services and core product offerings. Airship AI's Acropolis platform manages devices and sensors across both cloud and on-premises infrastructures, and integrates with the company's edge AI solution, Outpost AI. This setup allows customers to apply AI capabilities to existing infrastructure without needing costly hardware replacements. By enabling edge-based AI analysis, Acropolis and Outpost AI work together to enhance real-time decision-making and operational efficiency, particularly in mission-critical environments. Contracts and follow-ons like this add to increasing traction in both government and commercial sectors. Building on previous wins that involve contracts with the Department of Homeland Security and Department of Defense, leading Airship AI to project strong momentum for this year, targeting cash flow positive operations and forecasting approximately $30 million in net revenue, representing 30% year-over-year growth. This outlook is backed by a $135 million pipeline, improving gross margins and a recurring revenue model that supports positive cash flow from operations for the full year. To live up to these expectations, efforts focus on expanding edge-based AI offerings via the Outpost AI platform, expanding its library of custom-trained AI models, and launching new AI tools for data center and cloud environments to boost customer efficiency. Continued innovation is planned for the Acropolis software platform, with added support for both cloud and on-premises secure deployments. Along with plans to introduce its Evidence Discovery Server, EDS, enhancing digital evidence management capabilities either standalone or integrated with other platforms. Operationally, its digital transformation to streamline supply chains and production processes will continue with the aim of further improving margins. Naturally, AI-powered tools will be utilized to better support and engage business partners and resellers, alongside increased brand outreach through marketing campaigns, tech events, and industry trade shows. Pumping the ship further is an expanded internal sales and engineering team, with experienced professionals who bring deep industry knowledge, allowing Airship to actively participate in several customer-facing trade shows and partner events, including government-focused events. Speaking of the government, the new pro-U.S. Border Security Administration adds further macroeconomic tailwinds because challenges along the southern border present opportunity with the prospect of increased federal funding through supplemental appropriations. Of particular note is the passage of the full-year Continuing Appropriations and Extensions Act of 2025 and the Big Beautiful Bill, BBB, which allocated over $70 billion to U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP. The bill includes $6.2 billion for AI and border technology, directly aligning with Airship AI's core capabilities. Procurement activities by DHS and DOJ agencies have accelerated as a result, with Airship AI expecting a busy close to the government's fiscal year. And while many of the Airship's awards are confidential, due to sensitive use cases, it acknowledged progress expanding its sales force with industry veterans and participated in multiple customer and partner-facing events to raise visibility and drive partner-led sales initiatives. Commercially, expansion is taking place in new verticals like retail, logistics, healthcare, and energy, driven by early success with its AI-enhanced physical security solutions. Its broader digital transformation strategy is enabling faster deployment of edge-based AI models and back-end tools, including a generative AI interface for real-time data analysis, thereby attracting interest from customers seeking better ways to manage growing volumes of surveillance data. Looking ahead, the expectation is to enter Q4 with a substantial backlog of awarded business, with preparations underway to meet customer demands, including pre-ordering critical components and locking in vendor partnerships, which is why Airship AI remains confident in its trajectory toward continued growth. For more on Airship AI, other companies, and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.